A meat thermometer isn't a luxury, it's a food safety necessity. ChefsTemp recently sent me 3 of its most popular cooking and meat thermometers to try out here in my kitchen. I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets International, and I review hundreds of gadgets and devices each year. I'll be testing out these meat thermometers here in my kitchen to see what makes each one different and why one might ultimately be best for you. While ChefsTemp did supply these samples, it didn't have any input into this video. Unboxing each of these, you'll see they're quite different. Let's begin here with the ChefsTemp Pocket Pro. Pocket Pro is about $30 and what could be called the entry-level instant read meat thermometer in this bunch. Despite it being the cheapest option, it feels solidly made and boasts a bright and colorful color scheme. For anyone new to meat thermometers, instant read thermometers are ones you use to quickly take a temperature reading or spot check some meat, and then you remove those thermometers. You can't leave them inserted for ongoing readings. This version has a soft, rounded back with a small bump out for the charging port, and thanks to that port, you of course don't have to worry about replacing disposable batteries. You can charge this using USB-C, and a tiny battery level indicator in the top corner does give you an uber simplified look at how much life is left. There are only 2 buttons on the thermometer, and they are all but impossible to tell apart, though there are some faint markings. As it turns out, the bottom button is your power button, and the top button will switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit. The thermometer has an IP66 waterproof rating to deal with spills or splashes. It's also equipped with a premium sensor that can get quick readings within less than a second while being accurate to within less than 1 degree. The display resembles those old digital watches, but the Pocket Pro's motion sensors do allow you to see the reading upright no matter the orientation of the thermometer, making it perfect for left or right-handers as well as any awkward angles. I will note the digital display is not very bright and the numbers are kind of narrow. This can be a bit difficult to read in certain types of lighting and at certain angles. The thermometer needle itself is extremely narrow and even narrower at the tip, meaning it should go into even the finest cuts of meat. I also really appreciate the small plastic pen-style case with a pocket tab so you can keep it handy in a pocket, especially if you're wearing a chef's coat or an apron around the kitchen. This version also has an auto shut-off timer that will kill the display after about 10 minutes. That is a long time to draw off the battery, so I do highly recommend pushing and holding that bottom button for about 4 seconds to power things down when you're not going to be using it. The ChefsTemp FinalTouch X10 is a more substantial instant read thermometer with a more robust plastic and metal housing and an IP67 waterproof dustproof rating, which means it can handle full submersion for up to 30 minutes in case you happen to drop it in your kitchen sink. Not surprisingly, this one's a bit costlier at about $70. To power this one on, just pull the needle out from the body and it'll power on automatically. The needle is on a very flexible rotating dial, which means you can insert it at almost any angle that works. You do get a larger, bolder display with this version as well. There's only 1 button on the thermometer and it's labeled hold. I had to look up what this is for, and once I did, it was actually obvious and kind of genius. This allows you to lock the temperature reading in wherever you take that reading and then remove the probe from the heat source and read the result. And possibly the most practical application for this would be that it prevents you from having to stick your head directly into a hot steamy oven or put your hand over a smoking grill just to be able to read the measurement. The back of this thermometer is lightly magnetic, so it should be able to stick to your fridge, oven, or grill easily. The ChefsTemp ProTemp 2 Plus is the flagship option for those who really want to micromanage their cooking and grilling. ProTemp 2 Plus is a wireless meat probe thermometer that sends data to its including charging and display stand, and it also has a companion app that you can use to monitor things as well. This probe, can be left inside the meat for constant cooking updates. The arrow-shaped probe rests in the cradle when it's not in use, and that recharges it. When you're ready to cook, just remove the probe, place it into your meat, and then pop it into the oven. This probe is equipped to show you your target temperature, the ambient oven temperature, and the current probe temperature reading on both the small color digital display on the base station and in the app. The temperatures are measured at different places along the probe. At the tip of the probe are 5 internal sensors that will give you your most accurate current temperature reading. About 2/3 of the way up are 2 small bands, which are a bit of a safety feature. You need to make sure that most of that lower portion of the probe is inside your meat for the most accurate reading. And you want to get it up past what's called the safety notch to avoid any damage to the internal sensors. Now, up here at the widest part of the sensor is where the ambient sensor for the oven is located. While the needle of this probe is thicker than the other 2 thermometers, it is still narrow enough to get into most meat or dishes. I should probably mention you do need the app to use this temperature probe, and while the charging stand will display the information, it does require the app to program it. Without the app, the only thing the display is going to show you is the temperature at the tip of that probe. You won't be able to set your target temperatures or to enable any alarms. Fortunately, setting your target temperature is quite easy in the app. You can do things manually, or you can actually choose from a number of custom cooking programs based on the type of meat you're cooking and your ideal doneness, essentially letting the smarts of the thermometer manage the cook for you. Now, the company does warn that you need to keep the base station fairly close to your oven or your grill in order to keep getting updates, and the base station being in close proximity is also what lets you trigger alerts when a certain temperature is reached. The base should give your probe a total of about 40 hours of battery life. With an IP68 waterproof rating and stainless steel construction on the probe, the ProTemp 2 Plus feels to me to be highly durable, and ChefsTemp says it can withstand ambient temperatures as high as 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit or 221 degrees Fahrenheit on the probe itself. The app also lets you monitor multiple wireless probes if you do want to buy more. I used this thermometer on a roast chicken. The thermometer, after a few minutes, will give you a time remaining for your cook. A few minutes after I had put my roast in, it was showing me it only had 5 minutes left to cook. Just 10 minutes after I put the roast in, I got an alert the meat should be taken off the heat. This was kind of bizarre, and there was absolutely no way it was anything close to correct. So I removed the probe, restarted the app, reinserted the probe, and tried again. This time it seemed to work better. About 40 minutes later, it claimed to have reached target temperature. While the chicken did look quite done, we did opt to confirm this with one of the other thermometers just to be sure. This brings me to an important point about any meat thermometer. They are not foolproof. Sometimes it does require a human double check. If you happen to notice your meat looks a little pinker than you think it should be, you might want to use something like an instant read thermometer just to make sure things are cooked appropriately. That's because placing your thermometer or your probe against a bone or accidentally into a cavity can impact the readings that you're going to get and essentially make them inaccurate. The ProTemp 2 Plus actually has a magnetic back, allowing you to attach it to your fridge door, oven door, or your grill. The $149 starting price may sting the wallet, but given the features you get, the price actually seems to me to be quite reasonable. If you're comparing it to something like a meter thermometer, those typically start closer to $179, and they don't offer you any kind of digital display. Overall, it should be fairly easy to choose the right ChefsTemp thermometer for your particular use cases. It'll come down in part to how much you want to spend and how fancy you want to get. I found that each of these options had their place, and while the 2 instant read thermometers are obviously meant for quick on-the-spot readings, the ProTemp 2 Plus will be your only option if you want to monitor something bigger for a longer cook like a roast. Each of these thermometers works well and as advertised. Depending on your cooking needs, I can recommend any of these 3 options for you, and I will pop links to buy where you can check current prices as well into the description box below. And I review all kinds of cooking gadgets and appliances. If you want to check out some smart grills that will take the temperature of your food for you, I've tested 2. Check out those reviews right now.